Hey guys, so today's a rainy day. It's a beautiful spring at the same time. So, are you guys ready for our fun activity? Are you guys ready? Alright, so today, before we get started, I should prepare a song called a Walking Walking. Do you guys want to learn the dance? Alright, so can we have 2 fingers up? Like this. And we're going to have one arm on vertical.
우리 같이 따라해보자.
So can you guys copy me? Ready? Walking, 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 ha, 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 ha. Running, 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 now and stop, now and stop. Can you guys do it? Alright, let's do it. Here we go.
선생님 따라하는 거야. 알겠지?
You ready?
할수 있어.
Good. Walking, 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 ha, 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 ha. Running, 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 now and stop, now and stop. One more. Walking, 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 ha, 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 ha. Running, 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 now and stop, now and stop. Great! Guys, do you guys want to do it for Ria now? Do you guys want to get up and want to do it? Real action? Yeah, let's do it.
해보자.
Here we go. Are you ready? Alright. Walking, 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 ha, 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 ha. Running, 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 stop, now and stop. Oh, one more. Walking, 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 ha, 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 ha. Running, 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 now and stop, now and stop. Whoa, great job. Alright guys, so today, was it fun? Alright. So today, I actually brought some amazing photos for me to show you guys that we're supposed to see if we went outside today.
봄되면 뭐가 보여? 봄되면.
Alright guys, so here's a beautiful flower. Do you guys know the name of the flower? What's it called? Right, so the English, I call it cherry blossom. Can we say cherry blossom? Blossom, that's right. This was next to tree. Oh, well, what is this?
뭐가 나왔어 이번에는?
Right, it's a bee. Can we say bee?
bee.
Right, and this kind of bee is called honeybee. It makes honey, so it's honeybee. Honeybee, that's right. Alright, so do you guys know what this is? Oh, yeah, so this is a cherry blossom tree.
선생님 말씀 들어보자.
That's cherry blossom, guys. This is what. Alright, so this is called squirrels. Can we say squirrels? Squirrel.
아니요.
So the squirrels are active during the springtime and they sleep during the winter times.
봄에는 일어나고 겨울에 잠들어.
Yeah. I guess ready for the next one? Alright, so do you know what type of frog this is? So this is called red-eyed tree frog actually. This kind of frog is red-eyed tree frog. So it's a frog that has red eye. It's hard to see, but some frog has a special eye. Yeah. Ready for the next one, guys? Here we go. Oh, Do you guys know what this is? Whoa, you guys know butterfly? Wow, that's right, it's a butterfly. Here it goes. This is what the next one is. Oh, you know what this is? Ants, right? So do you see ants? Ants. Yeah. 자, what kind of flower is this, guys? Right, it's tulips. So here's the funny part. We call it tulips, right? At home, I also call it tulips. Yeah, there's only one name. That's cool. Alright, let's see what the next one is. Oh, do you guess what this flower is called? Oh, yeah. So I call it forsythia. So can you try it? C-D-A. So forsythia. Forsythia. Great job. So I think this was all the pictures. Alright guys, so are you guys ready for our next activity that I have prepared for you guys? Cool. Alright, so we're going to use this magnifying glass. That's gonna magnifying glass, right? And that's going to help us to make it look bigger. And I also brought some of my little favorite toys, bug, and some other animal that lives during the spring. And then we're going to make observation like this. So does it look bigger? Alright, so we're going to see what they look like. Right, it's a caterpillar. Yeah, so are you guys excited? Alright, here we go. I'll pass them out. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, sorry about that. I apologize. So do you guys want to choose one? Okay. Lettuce. What do you want to choose? Okay. Cool. Okay. Great. 우와.
나 이거 나비. 나 이거 거북이. 나 다른 야 이거 야너 손 나 이거요?
Guys, so what do you see here?
나 이거요?
What does it
지아야
look
나
like?
이것 봐. 성나 나 이게 알아?
What
나비도
is this?
이렇게 하는 거야. 이렇게 나 이렇게 거야. 거북이.
얘들아 어떤 친구가 뭘 가졌는지 보자.
So can you tell me what you have?
그래 말이야.
What do you
이렇게.
have?
야 사람
Butterfly. Let's say butterfly.
따라해보자.
Butterfly. Yes, let's show our friend what we have. Can you show it to our friends?
언니는 못해.
Let's say it together.
얘들아
Right.
따라해보자.
Okay, let's turn around.
따라해봐.
Say, I have butterfly. Let's say butterfly and show it to them.
이거
Show it to them.
butterfly.
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 Whoa. Alright, do we have a next friend that want to show? Show and show?
이런 선생님 앞에서 보여주자. 이거 갖고 가면
Yeah, bring that. Whoa, what do we got here?
뭐야?
Whoa, what do we have? Alright, guys. Guys,
여기 선생님 따라.
let's come a little bit closer.
프레임을 갖다
Yeah, so what do we have? What do you see here? Guys, what do you see there?
뭐가 보이는지 보자 우리.
What's
뭐가
that?
보여?
That. Is that a bee? Is that a bee? Oh, it's a bee. What do you see here? What do you see here?
뭐가 보여?
I can see
I can see a dragonfly. Dragonfly. Yeah, dragonfly.
또 뭐가 보여? 거기 가봐.
What do you see here? Whoa, what's this? What do you see here?
여기 봐봐. 여기 뭐가 보여?
Guys, what do you see here? I can see a
얘들아,
beetle.
뭐가 보여?
Beetle. What do you see
저기도
here?
보자. 저기
There's something right? Something different.
I can see you.
Ladybug. It's a ladybug. I can see a ladybug.
레이디바.
Ladybug.
여기 봐봐.
You know what this is? What do you see here?
I can see
This is a moth.
moss.
Yeah, I can see moth.
moss. I can see
Moth. Good job.
나방인가 봐. I
Moth.
can see a moss.
Ah, let's see. I can see a moth.
I can say moth.
Alright.
나방이래 영어로. moth.
Alright, so can we get our next friend? Can we get our next three friends?
moth.
다음 친구들한테 줘보자. 주고 이제 두 번째 줄 김한옥.
Hello.
헬로.
Alright. Okay, so let's see what we have.
선생 따라서 가보자.
Yeah. First, what do you have here? What do you see there? Yeah, it's a ladybug. Wow. Do you know what's next to you? You know what this one is? Yeah. Do you see moth? Wow. Oh, what's that? What do you see? What do you see there? That's a beetle. Ah, I can see beetle. Okay, so you probably come a little bit far, and you can see better. Look. Look up.
여기 봐봐. 여기 봐봐. 선생.
난 나방.
This is a bee. This is a bee. Bee. Do you get to see this one? Yeah, what do you see there? Yeah, I can see bee. That's right. Oh? What do you see here? What's that?
저기 봐. 저기 뭐 보이는지 봐봐.
Yeah, I can see dragonfly.
키스 제로플라이.
여기 보면 dragonfly.
Oh, what's that?
단단히 뭐라고? dragonfly.
Dragonfly. Beetle.
dragonfly.
Ah.
키스 레이디버.
Ladybug too. There's a moth.
모스. 키스 모스.
Yeah, that's a moth.
이거 있어?
Alright.
릴리
Yeah. Alright guys, so can you get another next three friends?
이제 세 번째 줄 가보자. 친구들 주고 일어나. 됐다. 근데 조심해야 돼. 헬로.
Hello. Alright, so you do it this way, look. Guys, other way. You anticipate this the blue frames.
이렇게 파랗게
Other
보이게.
way.
풀프레임이 보이게.
And you look at this guy. Guys, so what do you see there?
뭐가 보여?
Look,
거기
what do you
뭐가
see here?
있어?
Oh?
오.
Spider? Let's go.
잠자리.
Yeah.
같아.
Yeah, it's a dragonfly.
잠자리
It's a
맞아요?
dragonfly.
요거는 잠자리 맞아. 이거 잠자리
That's
맞아요?
a beetle. Oh, guys, what do you see here? Bee. Let's see, I see bee.
이.
I see bee.
나는 공.
What do you see this one? What's that?
비틀.
Beetle.
비틀.
Yes, I see beetle.
공룡 다 알아.
a moth. Moth. They said I see moth. Moth. Guys, what do you see on here? Ladybug. Yes, a ladybug.
무당벌레 같아.
Yes, it's a ladybug. I see a ladybug.
무당벌레 잉글리시로 레이디버.
It's a ladybug? Ladybug. Wow.
우와.
선생님.
Yeah, let's change. Hey guys.
마지막
우리
마지막.
Let's finish it off.
마지막.
저기 가봤어?
앉아주세요.
세 번째 줄은
헬로.
Hello.
헬로.
Alright guys, we'll do this here first.
어디 제일 먼저 보고 싶어?
나 여기가 내가
어디가 볼까? 우리 먼저.
Okay, so let's do our blue frame, blue side. Blue side to our beautiful faces.
이렇게 블루가 보이죠?
보세요.
Alright, so what do you see here? Wow. Is that a moth I see? Yeah, it's a moth. Hey guys, what's over here? What's that? Whoa, we see ladybug. So pretty. Very nice. Guys, what do you see here? Beetle. I think I see another one. There's another one here. Bees. I see bees. I see bees. Oh, do you guys know what this is? Oh, this is really big. Big bee. Yeah, big bee. Wow. What do you see here? Yes, dragonfly. I see dragonfly. Wow. Dragonfly. I see dragonfly. Alright guys, so guys, so how was the show? How's our frame? Was it fun watching?
우리 뭐 봤지?
Bee, beetle, dragonflies, and moth.
레이디버. 오케이, 레이디버. I saw 레이디버.
Alright guys, so I actually prepared a fun song called Bug and Roll.
먹여도 재밌는 거.
Yes, so do you guys want to dance along?
벌레 춤.
So that fun, so do you guys want to get up?
네, 일어나고.
Get up?
일어나서 같이.
아니 왜 춤이 계속
Are you guys ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Here we go.
준비됐어? 준비됐어?
이거.
뭐야 이거 왜 이렇게
서실 따라하는
오,
거야.
핑퐁.
서실 따라하는 거야.
Guys, butterfly! Look, caterpillars, guys!